Let's divide mixed numbers or fractions. I want you to pay attention first that they have different signs. So right away, I'm going to make a box up in this corner, and if they have different signs and they're being multiplied or divided, the answer is going to be a negative. So I already know my answer is negative. Now I don't have to worry about the sign any longer. I have to change these numbers into improper fractions. And to do that, I have to multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so I have 3 over 2, divided by. Again, I'm going to turn this into an improper fraction. I'm going to take the denominator, multiply it by the whole number. 3 times 2 is 6, and add the number on the top. 6 plus 1 is 7, and we have 7 over 3. When we're doing dividing or multiplying fractions, we do not need a common denominator, but we are going to follow the rule keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So keep means I'm not going to make any change to the first number. It stays exactly the way it is. Change, we're going to change division to multiplication. So instead of having a division sign here, we're going to change that to multiplication. And flip, I'm going to take the fraction. So let's say the fraction is 1/2. I'm going to turn it into 2 over 1. I'm going to flip the fraction upside down. So in this case, we're going to change this fraction to 3 over 7 instead of 7 over 3. And now I'll follow the rules for multiplying fractions, which is multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. If I do that, I'll get 3 times 3, which is 9, and 2 times 7, which is 14. I'm always going to look to see if I can simplify the fraction. In this case, I can't, there's no number that I can divide both top and bottom by to get smaller numbers. So this would be my answer. Again, we already checked to see it's a positive divided by a negative, so my answer is negative, so the answer should be negative 9 over 14.